Hello, and thank you for tuning in to another JD Channel video in which today I'm assembling a cart that I bought from Walmart. I actually thought this was going to be a lot bigger, so I'm just going to assemble it for this video. It's kind of sad because I opted for this over the one you get at IKEA for about $25 to $30. This was about $20, but this, as you can tell, based on the lamp, is a lot smaller. And look at my lamp and look at the thing itself. This is pretty small. So I'll do a quick video on it. I'll give you my initial thoughts on it, but I'm not really thinking this is going to be that hard to assemble. And the other thing is, I'm really kind of wondering what I got for 20 bucks. So stay tuned as I assemble the cart, and hopefully, if you want it, I think it hit 25 now. But, I'm hoping the quality is good once it's fully assembled. Stay tuned. So first it's telling me, which I thought the instructions were in Chinese only, but apparently they're in English and Chinese. It comes with 4 wheels and a little tool for it. And these clips. Look how simple this thing is. I'm going to put it side by side with the thing I actually wanted to replace. I doubt it's really going to replace it. I might have to buy 2 of these, but it seems like this might be easy to roll. So first you take the wheels, and we're going to put it on the bottom. So let me put this down, and let me do this right here. I'll take 2 wheels. See here, take 2 wheels. It just says just push them in, but I think they screw in. Let's see if I can, here, put this on the ledge. So screw them in. I'm going to lower the light here so we're really in the light for this. Okay, this so far looks kind of cheap. I guess I got what I paid for. Wanted a cheap cart. I was hoping it was going to be better than the one at IKEA because the picture is misleading. It looks bigger, and I'll show a snapshot of the picture in a moment. Thought this was going to be bigger. The advantage of IKEA is you can see what it looks like. Here, I was going in blindly and seeing how this thing was going to be. Yeah, it's kind of some scratches on it already, but so they give you a little tool to tighten it. Where is it? Little tool to tighten the wheels. Use that right here. After you've tightened it enough, you can tighten it some more with this little screw, kind of wrench they gave. But of course, it's not. It's a lot wider than the actual thing, so it's working a little, but you really have to get it on there to do this. Jeez. Alright, there's 1 wheel. It's 2. Wish I could just fully spin it. It looks like it all depends if you can really spin it or not. Of course, that was interesting. Well, that's a paper clip. No. Ew. Did something funny to the wheel, but that's okay. Okay. Even enough. Not bad. Alright, now let's do the other side. Same thing. Put the wheel on. Just a little on there. Trying to do it where I just turn the wheel, but like I said, it's not really working that way, so you gotta turn the fitting for it, or you can turn the whole thing, I guess. Yeah, I'm making this video more to show you before you buy it if it's really something you want, because I expected it to be bigger, so let's see how it works out. I'll show what it looks like fully assembled, because obviously when the box came it looked like it was the right size, but I opened the box and it was a lot smaller inside. That was sad. Use that wrench that they gave you. I mean, it works okay. But I'm hoping this thing actually is not bad. Let's see. Alright, so second set of instructions say, wow, simple. I guess just put the baskets on. There's 2 baskets, but I have a 3 basket one, so let's see here. Which way does this face? Okay, so you put 2 baskets on. Use the baskets. Inside, you have the hooks obviously facing in. Make it even. I'll put it on the bottom one first. Bottom. Yep. Okay, the bottom is in. We go to the next one. Oh, come on. And, ooh, I got my finger. Huh? Uh-oh. Why are you not hooking up? So you can already tell, just assembling it, that there's an issue here. What's wrong with this thing? It's not even. Or are there 3 different sizes? See, there's instructions here, but it's in Chinese. I can't read that part. So baskets B into side frame A, which is, I guess, side frame A. But look at it, it's not fitting. I don't know. I could bend it, but this doesn't seem right. Like I should bend it. Yeah, you can already tell there's a problem here. Let's see, the bottom basket maybe smaller? All these baskets seem like they're the same size. And yes, they are. So something's wrong. Let's try this again. And let's try it with the bottom one again. Fit it with the bottom one here. Suppose this should fit. Okay, bottom. See, my only thought is if maybe I put the bottom one last, so I guess I will. Alright, let's put the top ones then. See, look, it's not fitting. It's not the right size. Something is off a little. only thought is, let's see. Nope. See, something's not right. Yeah, see, it's saying to go in the inner hooks, and there's a problem with this. Something's not fitting. I don't get it. Maybe if I put the top part here? Nope. Let's try it this way then. Because I think if you put the top part of the bucket, it'll fit. And no, it won't. So there's something extremely wrong with this setup. I mean, I guess I got what I paid for with 20 bucks, but BS. So apparently it feels like you kind of have to force it, which you can see that the bottom one's kind of bowing when you do that. Kind of a funky design. So let me put the top part, but overall I don't think this was really a great buy. And thought I could save money not buying the IKEA cart, but I feel like I should have. So this kind of stinks. Because I feel like it's either going to bend or break. See, because you see you have to force it to fit the baskets, and the baskets aren't even fitting correctly. It's crooked. I mean, it feels nicer than the IKEA cart, but you can tell, see the mesh. The mesh on here is bending, so that's already not good. But, I mean, it's cheaper than the IKEA cart. It looks stronger in terms of the fact that construction is nicer, but the fitment is bad. So, I don't know what to say overall on this thing. I mean, I was using it to carry tools and parts for the cars. I don't know if this will be a good idea. And I mean, the toolbox that it's replacing is just as big, so that's pretty sad. Came with some other clips. Let me see. Because I see 3, put the rest of them straight. See, you had to squish the sides to get the baskets to fit, and the top part's already warped, I can tell, and the bottom. They're pretty much all warped, so would I buy it again? Probably not. I could try to roll this on another surface. It seems like it would work well, but for what I'm going to use it for with tools and car parts, this might not be a good idea. So here's a video to this in case you were looking into it. I don't know if this is a good idea. I got what I paid for. I paid 10 less than the IKEA cart. If you see me in another video with an IKEA cart, don't be surprised. But oh well. Yeah, it seems okay. I wish this could be better, but thank you for watching, and thank you for tuning into another JD channel video. Take care. Jesus, looks flimsy. Not really flimsy, just cheap.